Hello, I'm David Piper from Berkshire Hathaway Home Services California Properties. Before I forget, if you like my videos and want to be notified of future videos, or if you miss any of my previous videos, please be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is David Piper Realtor. I'm here at my open house located at 6426 Caminito Listo in San Diego, California, 92111. I'm here until 4 p.m. today and on Sunday from 2 to 5. The current asking price for this fantastic townhome is $1.1 million. This home features 1,522 square feet and has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and one of the largest and most envious yards in the entire community. This property had a major renovation in 2022 that included ceramic flooring throughout, outlets, bathrooms, faucets, paint, and major systems such as the HVAC and an added whole home water softener, among other updates and upgrades. Additionally, as I say, one of the most impressive and most important things to consider is location, location, location. This property is adjacent to the beautiful campus of the University of San Diego. You are in close driving proximity to Fashion Valley Mall, Fiesta Island, the airport, and major freeways. This location is truly fantastic. If you would like more information about this particular property, please call or text me at area code 858-525-5007. I also wanted to let you know that I'm actually thinking about bringing back a previous YouTube series that I created called Ask David. This series was educational and informative and dealt with the most common real estate questions that I would receive. Keep your eyes open for that return. As always, if you have any real estate related questions, please feel free to text or call me. Remember my real estate motto, which is, as an Ironman triathlete and marathon runner, I will go the extra mile for you. Thanks for joining.